Hello wonderful viewers, how are you? Welcome back to my channel once again. I am back for you along with a story, and in this video we will learn how to create the fake story and we will learn how to ask a question. This video will help you to improve your communication skills so that you can easily ask question in your daily life. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So I'm going to take half sentence one more, and I'm going to take the half sentence is one day I was in my classroom. Okay, so let's get started. So one day I was in my classroom. I was attending my lecture. After completing the lecture, I along with my friends went to nearby cafe coffee shop, and there was one of my friends had a boyfriend, and they started having a conversation on love topic. I was quite euphoric to know about the love, what is the love and how I can talk to my partner about the love. So I was quite ecstatic to know more about the love. So I decided to sit beside my best friend. I sat next to my best friend on the couch, and since I was quite euphoric, I was quite happy, I was quite inquisitive to know more about the love, so I kept sitting over there. They started having a conversation. My best friend, the girl, asked her boyfriend, "What do you think about the love? What does love mean to you?" Boy said, "Love to me, I think love means caring and pampering deeply for someone and being there for them and cherishing the connection we share." The girl asked, "Okay, so why did you realize that you love me?" And the boy said, "I knew I loved you when we had a deep conversation first time. I felt strong emotional bond with you." So the girl asked, "Why do you think we are compatible with each other?" The boy said, "I think we are compatible with each other because we understand each other's needs, supports and dreams." And my best friend smiled and said, "That sounds great," and asked again, "Okay, tell me one more thing. How do you show your love for me?" That boy said, "I try to show my love through small gestures, like surprising you with your favorite treats and giving you a heartfelt compliments." She was happy. She was over the moon. And the girl asked again, "Okay, what are some qualities you love most about me?" And the boy said, "I love your kindness, sense of humor, and how you always bring positivity into my life." Then my best friend again asked, "Okay, tell me one more thing. When did you know you wanted to be in a committed relationship with me?" The boy said, "I knew I wanted to a committed relationship with you, spending more time together and realizing that how much I cared for you." And guys, as you know, my best friend seems inquisitive person, so she again asked one more thing. "Okay, tell me one more thing. How do you handle disagreements in our relationship?" The boy said, "I believe in open communication. I trying to understand the situation, and I try to understand each other's perspective to solve the problem peacefully." And my best friend started asking again question that, "Okay, tell me one more thing. What's your favorite memory of us together?" Then the boy said, "I remember that day Our first weekend, we get away and we explored new city and created wonderful memories. Then she again asked, where do you think love is most evident in our relationship? The boy said, I think love is most evident in the way we support and encourage each other. She said, sounds great. And my best friend again asked, what do you like doing together with me? Then the boy said, I like going on adventures with you and trying new activities. And my best friend, the girl, asked again, okay, tell me, why do you think love is essential in a relationship? The boy said, I think love is essential because it brings emotional connection, understanding, and helps to understand the ups and downs of life together. And again the girl asked, how do you know when you are in love? The boy said, I know I am in love when I feel the deep sense of happiness when I am with you. The girl asked again, okay, tell me one more thing, this is special. What is the most romantic thing you have done for me? The boy said, I remember that day when I planned for you a surprise candlelight dinner and I completed with you your favorite meal with music. And my best friend seemed to be overjoyed. Then she again asked, what are your hopes and dreams of us as a couple? The boy said, I hope we continue to grow together and create a new life filled with love and happiness. The girl asked again, tell me last and most important question. Why do you love me and what makes me special to you? The boy said, I love you because you are caring, compassionate, and you makes me feel loved and valued every day, and you are too much special for me because you have brought happiness and love into my life. And saying this, she ended this conversation. She seemed to be overjoyed. I also was over the moon because I just wanted to know about the love, what is the love, and how I also can speak more about the love to my partner. So I was also overjoyed at that time. And after having a conversation, we took our rest of lectures, and after that when the college finished, we left for our respective house. So guys, I just wanted to show you how you can ask question and answer while creating the story, because asking the question is also very important for communication skill. When we sit in front of someone, we need to ask question, and how we can ask question, I just wanted to show you. And guys, I would like to suggest you try to ask the same question with your partner, or you can stand in front of the mirror, you can ask with yourself. It will help you to improve your communication skill and you will know how to ask the question. Okay, your answer should be different but your answer would be the same. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the like button. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are already my subscriber, so please support my channel, like my videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.